When I'm not out exploring the world, my husband and I like to take our ATV out exploring. We live in the high desert where there's plenty of space for us to go roaming around. And when we do, I like to bring my ATV kit. And this is specifically for the ladies.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
So this little ATV kit is just in a fanny pack by 4Monster from Amazon. I liked it because it was black. It matches our ATV. And it's lightweight and it doesn't take up a lot of space around my stomach because when we're riding in our particular ATV, we would have to wear harnesses and seat belts. So I don't have a big pack on me to get in the way. So this little packet has everything I would need if we were to go out exploring in our ATV, either up in the mountains or out in the desert or in the sand dunes. And it holds a few things that are not only for safety purposes, but for just feeling a little bit fresher when you're out exploring the desert. So this little fanny pack probably only holds about a liter worth of stuff, but it's big enough to hold the things that I like to bring with me on an ATV or OHV trip. It usually holds my cell phone inside, but right now that's being used for filming. So it's just a regular fanny pack, very lightweight. It has 3 pockets in it. The front pocket, I will keep a few items. I have some Purell, just for wiping hands. I have another kind of little wet towelette. I got this in Spain, actually, and it's lemon scented. I also have a Deep Woods Off, just in case there's bugs. So this will hopefully keep away mosquitoes if we're out late at night. And then I have some more of these little Refresh eye drops because we're out in the desert, my eyes get dry, and sometimes you get dirt in your eyes. So that's the front pocket. Still more inside here. Chapstick, of course, if you get chapped lips, and a couple of earplugs in bright red. So we have headphones that we use on our ATV so that we can speak to each other. But some ATVs are really loud. Some of the engines are loud if we're out with a big group or something. So I bring extra earplugs. And they're bright red in case I drop one. So that's the front pocket. And the middle pocket, I have an N95 mask, just in case we kick up a lot of dust, which we tend to do. I have another towelette. This is from Air Portugal. I've just been hanging on to it. And it's good for, if you have to use the restroom or something, there's no toilet paper in the pit toilet. These are tiny little, cloth tablets. They're compressed cloth or like a heavy-duty paper towel, essentially, that are compressed. And when you put water on them, they expand out to like a decent-sized, strong paper towel. So these are really nice for using the restroom or like wiping down our mirrors or something. So I carry these a lot with me, and I really find them super useful. The charging cord for my phone, because we have a charging port in our ATV. Some hand lotion. This is it's almost gone. It's something from another flight. Just in case your hands get dry or you don't want to be smelly. I've also thought about bringing some deodorant because sometimes I get stinky out there. This is just a little container of bag balm. I just decant it into a small container. So your hands and fingernails and face and your nose and your lips and everything gets so dry out in the desert. So I like to bring something like that, like Carmex or bag balm. In the back pocket, I have some Tic Tacs or a box of Tic Tacs because your mouth gets kind of gross riding out there in the desert. And I have some electrical tape wrapped around it. So in case we needed to make a small repair or something, we have some electrical tape. I always find this handy to have. Also, because we're out in the dust in the desert, sometimes we get stuff in our eyes. And this is some eye wash and an eye cup. And we've had to use this several times. It's gotten kind of scary that we've gotten just junk in our eyes. We do use glasses, our sunglasses, and we do sometimes use goggles. But this is nice to have. And then last but not least, a panty liner. It's always nice to have. Sometimes we're going through some scary situations and I might pee myself a little bit. So that's everything I have in my OHV ATV kit for the ladies. You can always get a different color, like pink or something. I've thought about getting maybe just a brighter one, just so somebody can see me from far off. But the black one is fine. It kind of goes with our ATV, whose name is Vader, by the way. And he kind of looks like Darth Vader's helmet. And we have a lot of fun in him. So hopefully this is helpful if you are also a desert rat and like to go exploring in a OHV or ATV.